Hi guys, today I show you this Renata 365 button battery that I have. I'm gonna do an unboxing for this. So I'm gonna show you this side of it. It says that it's expired on January 2020. It has 100 pieces inside. Okay, so this is how it looks like, the box. It's all sealed up, so I'm gonna open it up right now. Alright, so this is 100 pieces of these batteries, and looks shiny as always. Says here silver 1.55 volts. Let me see if I can see the serial number or something. Okay, so it is SR1116W. It's a 365 series of Renata battery. So I'm gonna do a voltage check because this is expired and all. So the voltage will actually determine what's the fair price for this, since it's all expired. Yeah, how to peel this off? Okay, don't need the scissors. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's a flat kind of battery. I'm not quite sure what kind of device would use this battery, but it seems like an interesting kind of flat battery design thing. Okay, you're gonna see the voltage. So positive, negative. So as you can see, it still has charge. It's 1.585 volts now. Is it climbing? For the wind cells or zinc air batteries, as you test it, it will climb. But this is not a wind cell or zinc air, so I think it's just gonna be consistent at this voltage. So it's 1.586. The box speed is 1.55, so it's higher than the box speed, so it means that it still has charge. So yeah, we will price it accordingly so that it's fair for the customers who buy. But if you do buy this battery, you know that it still has a significant amount of charge still inside, so you can expect it to last for a period of time before it depletes completely. So, and it's all sealed, so you know, I think it's still pretty good, still pretty okay. Just that need to make sure that it's at the right price. So okay, thank you for watching this, and if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.